Outside my window, is everything pale and cold? Can't seem to pick up my phone. It's been ringing all day long. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today's
Hello there, y'all, and welcome back. My name's Lesa, and today we are waking up. We're gonna be awesome and get so much done on this cozy fall morning. I love to start out by getting up and making my bed. I just feel like the whole house is more put together and looks better and feels better when the bed is made. And getting up and getting dressed. I stay at home. I work from home here on YouTube, so I have to make it a point to get up, get dressed, and get ready. I could just stay in my pajamas all day. I am a recent empty nester, so I don't have a whole lot of incentive to get up and get going. It's just sheer discipline and willpower. I have a lot of florals in my home and faux greenery, especially right now for fall, and this is my number one trick for keeping them dust-free and clean. You just take a can of compressed air, spray those faux florals and greenery down, and it keeps them dust-free. I also like to do this before I store them away for the season. On this cozy fall morning, we are keeping our cleaning simple. I am just using my Swiffer duster here to get all of the dust off my surfaces. Sometimes we just do that. We keep it simple, and then other times we bust out the polishing spray and a rag. I say just do what works for you. This actually does a pretty great job of getting all that dust off. I love to just casually run the Swiffer over and keep my home dust free. Today's extra special because I am joined by my sweet friend Anna over at Simply Designed. She is a wonderful mom, wife, and homemaker. She loves to keep her house very tidy, very clean, even though she has 4 young kids running around. She has all things homemaking and decorating, all while keeping things simple. In her videos, she loves to share DIY projects, homemaking, decorating, organizing. She does room makeovers, and today she's cleaning on this cozy fall morning with me. So when you're done watching here, head on over to Simply Designed, say hi to Anna and tell her that you're there from Uniquely Lesa. I just know you're gonna love her as much as I do. Thank you, Anna, so much for doing this collaboration with me. I am so glad to have this opportunity and to share this wonderful space for this cozy fall cleaning motivation with you.
So be patient with me, I'll be right. Somehow I must be somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue, can't do nothing.
If you are here watching from Simply Designed, thank you so much for stopping by. And if this is your first time here or you have never left me a comment, please do so. I really do love to talk to you and hear from you and would enjoy getting a message from you down below.
Else than doing nothing. Inside my room, the heat's like a warm embrace. My bed feels like heaven. I lose track of time and space. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today's raining. So
After making our way around the room, dusting and spraying off those florals with that can of compressed air, we are going to get out the vacuum and run it over everything. I have a sweet fur baby named Raider. You will see him here in a little bit. Because of him, I have to vacuum every day. Otherwise, it just gets out of control with his long fur. He is part German Shepherd, so he sheds a lot. Along with a made bed every day, I feel like a clean floor really does make a huge difference in just the appearance of how your home presents itself. The vacuum lines, there is just nothing better than vacuum lines. It lets you know your home is clean. We are now moving into my entryway, and I have a lot of woodwork around my house, and while I deep clean it periodically, I like to weekly go along and dust all my trim and baseboards either with the Swiffer or with the vacuum hose that has the brush attachment. If I do this, then it keeps me from having to get down there on my hands and knees and clean it so thoroughly as often. That's another little trick for you, a quick swipe of a Swiffer like this, and it does such a good job of keeping the dust off of all those surfaces.
Patient with me, I'll be right. Somehow I must be somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired I'm blue. Can't do nothing else than doing nothing.
As you're going around doing your dusting, don't forget to get all of those little inconspicuous places like the ledges of your furniture around the bottom and your picture frames here. This is an open front oil painted canvas, and I periodically throughout the month run my Swiffer over the surface of that as well. Anything that is going to catch dust, I like to just give it a quick swipe. For anybody that is here new, again, my name is Lesa, and like I mentioned, I am a recent empty nester. My baby went off to college, and my oldest is also in college currently. That has made for some huge adjustments around here for my husband and I, from the amount of laundry being less to buying different groceries and not so many of them, and just the day-to-day coming and going, not having my boys here. It's different. So if you are also an empty nester, you know what I'm going through in this transition phase. That is why I'm working to stay busy here around my house. I have always had a passion for all things homemaking and housekeeping anyway, and I started my YouTube channel to fill this gap. 2 years ago, I knew it was going to be a challenge. So while I had some technical support here at home with my boys, I decided to learn to navigate all things technology, and here we are now. And I'm so excited to be able to share my home with you. I'm glad you're here, and I hope you enjoy the content that I bring to you. I love to share cleaning. I love homemaking, cooking, shopping, decorating. That's a big one. I really love decorating, and just general things that are going to help you as a homemaker, hopefully to encourage, motivate, and inspire you along the way.
I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired.
I like to use my vacuum on the tile here in my entry and in my kitchen. I think it picks up the dog fur so much better than a broom. So after a quick pass with the vacuum, I'm going to use this brand new Power Jet wet jet mop to do the floors in here, and it has a special little scrubby sponge on the bottom. I don't know that it's any better than the original Swiffer mop, but I liked it. It smelled good, the solution in it, and it cleaned the floor. So yeah, we have that now that we're using here on quick, easy days of cozy fall cleaning like this.
Words can't describe just how much I miss you whenever.
The next room I'm taking on this cozy fall morning is my eat-in kitchen dining area. Again, the same thing. It's just on repeat. Take that can of compressed air, clean all of my florals, and then dust. Then we're going to vacuum the floors and mop again and get it all tidy and clean. My home's going to be all set, and hopefully I can have a little break as we approach the weekend.
I want you here beside me for eternity, shining your light like a sun. I try for you, baby, to take the higher road, to be someone you're proud of, but I've been lost lately. I don't know what is right or wrong. Ooh, I always like me better when I'm around you. Ain't no place I'd rather be. You got this energy that always surrounds you. It's everything I'll ever need.
I may not have little hands to leave prints all around my home anymore, but I definitely have a sweet fur baby that likes to press his nose against the glass on both the inside and the outside. So this is a frequent chore of mine to wipe those nose prints off. We're going to take care of that, and we'll start the process all over again, because you'll see he wants to go in and out constantly. Let me know down in the comments if you are cleaning alongside of me, if you are watching for entertainment, or just storing up that motivation for later. I love to hear from y'all, so don't be shy. Leave me a comment below.
The devil on my shoulder's almost gone. Ooh, I always like me better.
Since it is just my husband and I here in the house now, I am just going to vacuum around the chairs and the table and then mop under there as well like that. I do often pull out the chairs, pull up the rugs, get the real mop and a bucket full of water and solution and give it a real good mop. But for the most part, we don't eat at this table. So other than some dog fur that collects under here that I have to get daily, it really stays pretty clean. So that is the upside to an empty nest. I try to embrace the positive because otherwise it just makes me too sad.
When I'm around you, oh yeah. Call me some night when you got time. I won't be asleep anyway. 'Cause I just need one reason to keep on breathing. Tell me you'll come back to stay. I try for you, baby, to take the higher road, to be someone you're proud of, but I've been lost lately. I don't know what is right or wrong.
I want to give another big thank you to Anna at Simply Designed for inviting me to do this fall cozy cleaning collaboration with her. Don't forget to go check out her channel and say hello to her when you're done watching here. I am so thankful to have wonderful content creators like Anna as my friend. I am so glad that you stopped by and joined me on this cozy fall morning for some cleaning motivation. I hope that you are feeling inspired, encouraged, and energized. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I invite you to hit that subscribe bar, joining the Uniquely Lesa family. I would love for you to come back for future uploads. Until I see you then, I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.